What's up guys? Welcome back. My name's Rosie and today we are trying one of the most popular eyeliners on the globe that I've literally never heard of, but for a good reason. I was at a photo shoot yesterday and I got talking to the makeup artist there and I was asking her for tips and tricks, and she put me onto this new eyeliner. She said it was really popular on Broadway. Most people in the US haven't heard of it, or at least I haven't. So the eyeliner she was telling me about comes in packaging like this. This is the gray AMC gel eyeliner. Inglot is known for their versatility. They sell something like 2,500 products, and their most popular one is this like sealant that can be used for all kinds of different things. It can rehydrate these eyeliners. It can be used as an eyeshadow base and all kinds of different things. So this is the AMC gel eyeliner, again in the color gray. I think it's like a smoky gray. And it comes in a pretty unassuming, like, typical gel eyeliner pot. Let's open it. It's got like a cover on top. Why do I always want to smell the products? So trying it today, I'm using a Morphe 213 brush. Let's dab it. Oh wow, it's really smooth. So when I was looking on the comments on Amazon, one of the things that people were saying was that it's really creamy and really smooth and really long lasting. I'm going to start on my lower lash line. I always go under here first because I have huge eyes and I like to try and conceal them if I can. So we're just gonna go under here. Oh my gosh, this is so pigmented. Oh my gosh. Okay, already obsessed. Another thing they said about it was that it was smudge proof. Now I kind of have hooded eyes, so I like to look straight forward when I put my eyeliner on. Just like this. Wow. That is already so pigmented. Do you guys see that? That is literally the best gel eyeliner I've ever used. Okay, let's try the other eye. You literally only have to just tap it on your waterline. This is unreal. Like, I've never used a gel eyeliner like this before. Oh my gosh. I think one of my favorite things about the product is that it's literally so smooth and creamy. So a little goes a long way. I can see how this would be popular in theater productions. I don't know about you guys, but I have so much trouble making sure these are even. One eye always seems to be like bigger than the other. Oh my gosh, I'm literally so obsessed with this. Look at that. My eyes are so big. I usually stop halfway. I may just for today's tutorial, just do the whole thing. It is literally so easy to put on. This is insane. Okay, wow. I have been using gel eyeliner for a long time and I have seriously been missing out. So it's not perfect. It was my first time. Super, super pigmented, and it really glides on like creamy and smooth. I would get a more angled brush than this. This is good, but if you really want to get like those fine lines, an angled brush would be so much better. But wow, I am deeply obsessed with this product and definitely going to be using it again. It is a game changer. Like, if you just want a quick waterline in the morning, this is going to be so quick and it'll stay on. I just can't believe I didn't know about this product before. Well, I know this was super quick, but thank you guys for joining. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, comment, let me know what you think, and if you've heard of this company before. But I'll be doing more reviews like this in the future. So yeah, thank you for joining.